Hello, in front of me I've got Shokz OpenFit Air. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, remove your earbuds from the charging case and make sure that they are connected with your smartphone. Tap twice on touch panel of the left earbud to play pause music. On the right earbud to play next track. Now tap twice either on left or right to answer and end the calls, and long press on either left or right earbud to reject call. For volume control, tap and hold for 2 seconds on left earbud to decrease volume and on the right earbud to increase volume. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.